Today I'm going to show you how to save up to 4 hours a day using Agentic Workers with zero or no AI knowledge. So first thing you're going to do is go to agenticworkers.com and you're going to install that extension. It's going to take you to the Google Chrome page, and then from here you're just going to go ahead and press add to Chrome. That's going to add the extension to your browser, and once that gets added, it's going to automatically take you back to the Agentic Workers sign up page, and just continue with Google. You're good to go. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to go to your extensions here, press the Agentic Workers extension, and that's going to connect everything together. And now we're ready to start automating. We can head into our public templates, and we could start using one of the 40 different prompt chains that we have available for everybody. So the first one is going to be how to build a guide for any subject. Let's go ahead and try that one. Let's just build a guide for AI LLMs. Keep it pretty simple for beginners, and we'll make it in the format of a blog post. We'll use the GPT 4.0 mini model because that one's pretty fast, and we'll use search so we have real-time information. Once we start that workflow, it's going to take us to ChatGPT, and the Agentic Worker is going to take over and finish this process for you. So as you can see here on the right hand side, we have our automations that are running. It's going to give you the list of every single prompt that's in this prompt chain, and it's going to show you how long it's been running for. We don't have to sit around here. It's completely hands off. This is going to run autonomously, and we could go do something else. So going back to our prompt library, maybe we want to run a competitive analysis on a competitor. So let's say we want to check out Apple. We go ahead and put that in there, start that workflow. And now this is also going to run in parallel for you. So you could have multiple workers doing different tasks for you to save you the most amount of time. And so we have these two workers. We're just going to let them execute while we explore the rest of the product. Now, if you don't find what you need in our public templates, you could build your own templates. The cool thing is that we could actually use prompt chains and variables. So let me show you an example. Say I wanted to do something with writing an email. It may say something like, hey name. This is going to allow us to pass that as a variable. And then say I wanted to use prompt chains, I might say something like write section 1, tilde, write section 2, tilde, write section 3. And I'll show you why these things are important. Again, this is a sample, not a real world use case. But say I create that template, when I go to use it, it's going to let me fill out that variable that I created. And when I execute this, you're going to see that it's actually going to use the different prompt chains that we defined there by separating them with tildes. So you'll see that right here. So if you have a custom workflow or a custom job that you want completed, you could create your own templates and execute those directly from the platform. Now, if you want to check the progress of things that are ongoing, we do have the history page. And then for any automation and agentic worker that you ran, it gets added to your collection, so you could easily relaunch it whenever you need to. And lastly, if you want to take a look at some data around your jobs and prompts and how much time they're taking, you could use that dashboard, which is going to have an estimated time savings for you. Help, just reach out. We'll be happy to help you set up some prompt chains and workflows that will automate your business for you. Thank you.